Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza, and in today's video, just like every day, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update as to what is going on with our portfolio. Now, as you all know, yesterday was a good day. Well, a decent day. We had a pretty flat day in the portfolio. Today, however, completely different story. Let's go over what is going on. So the market did actually open at a low and continued to go down. We actually went down to $147,000 all the way from $157,000. That's a decline of $10,000 in one day in this portfolio. But there is one stock primarily to blame for that decline, which is why I'm not too concerned. However, it does hurt me a little bit to make this video because we were down $10,000. That's right. Well, right now we're down $6,300, but we were at some point down $10,000. The crypto has kind of brought that up. Dogecoin is just on fire. Bitcoin relaxing a little bit, trying to find that level of support. And Ethereum doing well as well. Ethereum did go down, however. It did hit $3,500 briefly, just for a moment, or almost $3,500 briefly for just a moment, but then went down, which is what is affecting our portfolio as of right now. Now, quickly, I'm going to show you guys my buying power. Well, you guys can actually see my buying power. It is $16,832. Yesterday, the buying power was roughly around $20,000, which means we did end up spending $4,000 in the market. Let's quickly start with the options. Options are all in the red. What we are noticing right now is that even the options that I bought yesterday are down 1%. So I thought I got PLTR at an amazing price just yesterday at a discount, but unfortunately, that is not the case. Sell in May and go away is proving to be a real thing, even in 2021, when people have more time and are spending more time trading. It seems like people may be spending more time trading crypto, which is where the money is moving, but it is something that we have to consider, which is why this is what I told you guys yesterday. I told you guys that we are looking to also divest from here and move some of our money into crypto. And for that, I needed your guys' opinions. You gave me some really good opinions. And for that reason, I am going to be investing around $100,000 in the crypto space as well. I just need the market to cool down a little bit. Once that does happen, my plan is to go in headstrong into crypto. Now, as far as platforms, currently I'm on Coinbase, I'm on BlockFi, and I'm on eToro. If there are any other platforms that I should be on where I can find altcoins, do let me know. That's my phone ringing in the background, I believe. Let me take care of that right away so that we are in good shape. Okay, we are in good shape. Let's start with the options. So the options, everything, like I said, is in the red. GSAH in the red, Clove in the red, and this is the reason that the portfolio took a beating today. So Apple went down quite a bit. I thought it was a good time to actually buy some Apple stock, but my options took a huge beating. So I'm down $10,000, which is roughly around 51% loss on my Apple calls. This is the primary reason why this portfolio is suffering. It is mainly because of Apple. Now we are seeing a sell-off, and we are seeing something that I thought was a little weird that we saw today, is that the sell-off actually happened before Janet Yellen went on and spoke. So it was like almost like something triggered the sell-off prior to her speaking. It was like almost like people were anticipating her to say that we need to get the interest rates up in order for the economy to kind of cool down. So force a cool down because things are heating up quite a bit, which I agree on. I mean, I do think things are heating up quite a bit. I just don't know if increasing interest rates is a smart thing to do. I think there are other strategies that could have been implemented, or maybe there are other things that she could have said to keep the market's peace all in all. Anyways, that didn't happen. The market did panic. There was a sell-off, and unfortunately, I was caught in the crossfire. Now, we're going to go down quickly. I'm going to scroll down these. You guys can take a look, of course. Pause the screen and take a look at my calls and see how much I'm down. Now, one good news that I do have on my options is that I have minimized my losses on ExxonMobil. The industrials were up today, and as a result, ExxonMobil calls barely losing any money right now, $999. I want to remind you guys that just a few days ago, we were losing roughly around $2,700 on these options. Right now, we're just losing $999, and these options are going to turn green fairly soon, and I do have quite a few of them, so I am very excited to see where this goes towards the end of the year. We're going to be making hopefully some big bucks with these ExxonMobil calls. So if you guys want to jump into these, you guys would currently be better off than I am at 15% discount, basically, from where I bought them. So that's just some food for thought for you guys. Okay, now that we've covered the options, let's quickly go over the stocks. ARC-G, ARC-K, ARC-X, ARC-W, ARC-Q, and ARC-F. All of our long-term positions are in the red. Now, I want to remind you guys that these were all in the green just a few days ago. So it's funny what a big difference just a few days makes in a portfolio. We were almost about to hit $160,000 yesterday, and today we're back down to $150,000. And that's just the way the market goes. Now, lucky for me, this is not my full-time gig. I'm primarily in real estate, and I do have some good news about real estate that I do want to share with you guys in a separate video. But since this is my daily portfolio update, I'm going to give it to you guys straight, just like I always do, and keep it as transparent as possible. PLTR losing quite a bit of money today. In fact, PLTR did go down quite a bit, which is why we're losing that $1 on the option that I bought yesterday. BNGO also losing quite a bit, and NDM losing quite a bit. I'm going to quickly scroll down and show you guys my day trades for today. I did close out most of my positions. We also went live pre-market today, and I ended up buying Tesla and selling it for a profit. I also entered MU and Macy's, and we made a profit on all three of those trades, and that was between 8 a.m. to 8:35 a.m. Central. So right when the market opened, 5 minutes into market opening, we bought some stuff pre-market, ended up selling it within 5 minutes, and made a little bit of money. That was good, and I did that trade live. So for those of you who are interested in live trading, I do most of my live trading the first 10 minutes of market open. I buy pre-market, and I try to sell as soon as the market opens. And that's kind of how I got away with a few trades today. But unfortunately, it wasn't enough to keep this portfolio in the green. So my open trades for today are MU, Disney, MSOS, and Silver, and Apple, of course. So I am losing a little bit on all of these, but as you guys can see, the percentages are minimal. So once the market reverses, once the trend reverses, all these are going to go back in the green. And once they do, we are going to exit, hopefully making a little bit of change. Now, I want to quickly go over crypto right after that. Doge doing very well. I'm making 127% on Doge in just a few days. I just entered Dogecoin a few days ago, so I'm not too worried about it at this point. I do want to spend some more money on Doge, maybe around $10,000 or so. I don't know if I'm going to do it on Robinhood or I'm going to do it on another platform. I haven't decided that yet, but once I do, I'm going to let you guys know what my decision is and how I plan on investing that money in Doge. Bitcoin up. We are up about 56% on Bitcoin, and Ethereum, we are up 211%. So yeah, guys, that is my portfolio for today. I'm going to keep it sweet and short and give you guys the update that I do each and every single day. And just like that, my name is Hamza, and I'll see you guys next video.